Hello students, today I'll discuss about arguments in the parameters. So you can see this function def multiply, function name is multiply, and we have to start from def keyword, and we have used here two parameters a and b. Okay, we have passed two variables here, and print a into b means what it will do, it will just multiply these two variables. Okay, so this is a function header, multiply the function header, and this entire is the function definition. So y is equal to 3, we have initialized y value to 3 value to y, multiply 12 comma y, means this way we have passed a variable 12 value, and whatever the y value we have taken here, that will be stored in b variable. It's a function called 1. This way also we can call the function multiply y comma y, same value we can pass. Okay, the function called 2, and x is equal to 5, multiply y means 3, x means 5. So this way we have called this function definition. So this is a calling calling function, and this is a called function. Okay, now program has a function name multiply that receives two values. This I have told you, it receives two values. This function is being called thrice by passing different values. 3 times we have called by passing different values. 12 comma y means 12 comma 3, y comma y means 3 comma 3, x comma y comma x means 3 comma 5. Means with different 3 values we have called this function 3 times. With function call 1, the variable a and b in function header will receive values 12 and y respectively. This only I have told you. In this function header definition, if we will call this function in this when we call function 1, so 12 and y value will be passed, or you can say a and b variable will receive values. Okay, this way the variable a and b in function header will receive values 12 and y. Means this a and b will receive value 12 and y, and here in function call 2, variable a and b will receive value y and y, and function call 3, variable a and b variable will receive value y and x. This only we have discussed till now. Okay, so the values being passed through a function call statements are called arguments or actual arguments or actual parameter. Means here whatever the values we are passing in function call 1 we are passing this value, in function 2 we are passing this value, and in function 3 we are passing this value. So these passing values ko what we can say actual arguments or actual parameter. Means actual values we are passing. So actual parameter also you can say, actual arguments you can say, and argument also you can say. And the values received in the function definition, means this is a function definition. Here the values that we are receiving, that is function definition is receiving, so, are called parameters or formal parameters or formal argument. So what we can say, where the function header is receiving value. ये function header है, def multiply a and comma b. So function header, which values it is receiving, that values को what we can say formal parameter or formal arguments or parameters. Okay, so if anybody will say any word, so you should not be confused. Okay, here where we are calling the function, here we can say arguments, actual arguments, and actual parameter. And here in the function header or function the function header that a and b which is receiving the value, that is known as formal parameter or formal arguments. This way we can say. So please remember these things, what the word we can say. Now arguments can be passed in Python by 3 ways. 3 ways we can pass the values: literal and variable and expression. How we can pass the value? 3 ways means literal, variable, an expression. By three ways we can pass a value in the arguments, mean in the calling function. So literals 3 comma 4, these values ko we can say literals, and variable a comma b, and expression p plus 1 or p. But in that way we can pass the value in arguments. One thing you have to remember, a function header means where we'll write the definition. This is known as function header, and this entire is known as function definition. So a function header cannot have expression. Arguments में we can pass the expression, but in header we cannot have the expression. It can have just name identifier to hold the incoming values. If you will write def multiply a plus 1 comma b, this is the function header. Here we have mentioned the expression, so it will give you error, mean this is illegal, it is not valid. Okay, but in argument, whenever you are passing the values, here you can give the expression. Okay, like this. So I hope you understood. If you have any confusions, you can ask. Okay, thank you, students.